Hello everybody, thank you so much for tuning in today. My name is MissTomCooks and today we are making apple orange apricot gammon. We're going to start off with gammon, bay leaf, 2 apples, 2 carrots, 2 onions and 1 orange. Put your gammon with the net on in a pot filled with water. Then roughly chop your carrots, roughly chop your onions. 4, put in your bay leaf, chop your apples into 4, then add it there. Then chop your orange into 4 also, and cut your orange into 4, sorry, and then put it in the pot. Yay! Boil for 1 hour, but leave the top slightly open. After an hour, remove your gammon from the pot, then cut the net, preferably with a scissor. Carefully remove the skin off the gammon. This should be easy. Then you will have the fat. So now you're going to cut a diamond pattern into the fat using a sharp knife. Now you're going to place your gammon on a roasting tray. Now this stage is optional. You can use cloves or you can press peppercorns into each diamond if desired. For the glaze, you're going to need 1 cup of apple juice. You're going to need 4 to 5 tablespoons of apricot jam. Then you're going to need 125 ml of brown sugar. And stir till well combined. Stir till the sugar dissolves. Let it simmer. When it starts boiling, that's when you want to switch off your stove. Now you're going to pour the glaze over the gammon. Alright, make sure you cover the whole gammon. And put in the oven at 180 degrees and roast for 20 minutes. After 20 minutes, take your gammon out of the oven and then put the glaze and make sure you cover the whole gammon again. Repeat the step 3 times or until you get the desired color. Look at that. Your family and friends are definitely going to love you for this. This is definitely a crowd pleaser.